Hi guys, welcome back to Alaskan Sisters. This is our second day reading out loud. And today I'm reading Five Little Kittens. Let's begin. Five little kittens lived in a house with their mama and papa and their little toy mouse. Every morning, promptly at 9, the five little kittens stood in a line. Then Mama Cat bathed them one by one, licking each kitten with her rough pink tongue. For breakfast, she gave them cream in a dish with a little hot porridge and a bite of fish. The kittens fed their little toy mouse in a bowl of porridge in his little toy house. Then Papa Cat wiped his bowl and dish and gave the five kittens each a kiss. I'm off to work, Papa Cat said. Be good little kittens and make your bed. The kittens played tag and did their chores, and when they were done, they played some more. Papa got home on the dot of noon and served fish soup with a big wooden spoon. The kittens fed their little toy mouse a toy fish bun in his little toy house. Then the kittens curled up in their mama's lap, and while she brushed them, they took a long nap. At the tail end of day, when supper was done, Mama bathed those kittens one by one. The kittens said goodnight to their little toy mouse and tucked him in bed in his little toy house. Then Mama and Papa told the kittens goodnight, gave them 5 kisses, and turned out the light. Rita's turn. Nope. Today I'm going to be reading Roar of a Snore by Marsha Diane Arnold. The sky was dark, the stars were bright, each Hufflepuff was asleep that night. Except for Jack, eyes wide open. He tossed and turned, he groaned inside. Jack heard a noise that rocked the floor. He heard a noise that shook the door. Jack heard a snore, a mighty snore, a clamorous snore, a thundering, ear-splitting roar of a snore. Oh, yeah, there we go. Blue was sound asleep. He woofed and snuffled at Jack's feet. Wake up, Old Blue, and stop that snore. Old Blue woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack went searching. Across the hall slept Mama Gwen. Her huffs and puffs made her curlers spin. Wake up, Mama Gwen, and stop that snore. Mama Gwen woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen went searching. Sweet Baby Sue slept one door down. Her high-pitched snores made whistling sounds. I can't whistle. Wake up, Baby Sue, and stop that snore. Baby Sue woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue went searching. Way down the stairs in his favorite chair snored Papa Ben like a grumbly bear. Wake up, Papa Ben, and stop that snore. Papa Ben woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben went searching. In the old porch swing slept the Huffle twins. Jessie Jo wheezed out, Jenny Lynn wheezed in. Wake up, you two, and stop that snore. The twins woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Jo and Jenny Lynn went searching. They found their barn filled up with snores, the sheep, the goat, the cow, and more. Wake up, you critters, and stop those snores. The critters woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Jo and Jenny Lynn and sheep and goat and cow and hens went searching. Up to the loft the Huffles climbed to search together one more time. They searched the hay with drowsy eyes, and there they found... What do you think they found? A snore surprise! One lost kitten in the hay, snoring all his cares away. I'll be hornswoggled, Jack Huffle cried. His snore's 3,000 times his size. Wake up, little cat, and stop that snore. The Huffles waited. The snore still roared. Now let him sleep, hushed Mama Gwen. He needs his rest. He looks done in. He's traveled far across our fields, said Papa Ben. He needs a meal. He needs a home, said Baby Sue. Woof, woof, agreed Woof, woof, agreed old hound dog Blue. All Huffle eyes were fixed on Jack. Jack sighed. Then grinned and looked right back. He's found a home. It's our haystack. So Jack and Blue and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Jo and Jenny Lynn and sheep and goat and cow and hens joined Little Cat and snuggled in. Each Huffle added snuffles, huffs, wheezes, whistles, grumbles, puffs. One giant snore sailed through the night. At last, the Huffles all slept tight. But down the road, eyes open wide, Molly Olson tossed inside. She heard... a snore. That's that's the end of today's book for me. Subscribe to Alaskan Sisters to get notified whenever we make new videos. Bye!